We sometimes get asked, how do we put things together? And we thought I would show you us using some of our equipment. So you can see Mark here starting out, and you start with the flat pieces of aluminum, and this tool is called a shear. It takes the metal and cuts a straight, beautiful line in the material. Of course, you got to make sure you get it squared up perfectly. And you see that foot pedal down at the bottom to make sure, for safety and so forth. And you just take the metal, push it in a little further, and it shears it to exactly the length that you've got it set to. So that's the aluminum. Once you have a square piece of aluminum, you take and you notch the corners so that when you bend them up and to give it some strength, that piece of material needs to be removed from the machines. And then finally, this is called a press brake. And here's Mark again, using it to bend those corners. You got to be careful here because that metal comes flying up at you. These are old-time machines. They're probably about as old as we are, but they still work, and they work beautifully. And here's another view of how those bends are made. This is clearly the spot that you do not stick your finger in there. But you can see you get a beautiful 90-degree bend in the material. We thank you for watching. God bless, and take care of yourself.